Deep within the heart of our planet lies a world of wonder, volcanoes. They are like ancient guardians, resting until they decide it's time to wake up. And when they do, they put on a show that's both breathtaking and powerful. Imagine descending into the depths of a volcano. Far below the Earth's surface, there lies a chamber filled with liquid rock, a seething cauldron known as magma. It's hotter than anything you've ever felt, like a colossal pot of boiling soup, but on a scale that boggles the mind. When this molten magma decides it's time to burst forth, it's like a grand explosion of colors and shapes. The earth trembles, and the volcano comes to life. As the magma surges upwards, it brings with it rocks and ash. The sky darkens, and the ground quivers. It might sound terrifying, but it's nature's way of creating something new and beautiful. Once the magma breaches the surface, it transforms into a fiery river known as lava. Flowing down the slopes, it glows bright orange and red. It's like a living thing, slowly shaping the world around it. Over time, as the lava cools and hardens, it forms new landscapes. Sometimes, it creates islands in the middle of the sea. This is how our planet grows and evolves. Yet, volcanoes aren't just agents of destruction, they're also wellsprings of life. The minerals in the lava enrich the soil, making it extraordinarily fertile. This means that plants and trees thrive in volcanic regions. Some of the most beautiful places on Earth owe their existence to volcanoes. Picture the stunning beaches, towering mountains, and lush forests that owe their grandeur to these mighty forces of nature. But volcanoes aren't limited to the land. They're hidden beneath the waves too. These underwater volcanoes create enormous mountains beneath the ocean's surface, secret wonders hidden beneath the waves. Volcanoes serve as a reminder of Earth's power and its ability to create and renew. They have fascinated humanity for centuries, and studying them helps us comprehend our planet's intricate workings better. So, the next time you encounter an image of a volcano, remember the extraordinary narrative it holds. It's not just a mountain, it's a living, breathing part of our Earth, shaping the world around us in ways we can hardly fathom. Volcanoes are also part of ancient myths and legends around the world. In some cultures, they were believed to be the dwelling places of powerful gods, and eruptions were seen as their displays of might. These stories reflect the awe and respect that volcanoes have commanded throughout history. Scientists who study volcanoes, called volcanologists, play a crucial role in understanding and predicting volcanic activity. They use specialized equipment like seismometers to monitor earthquakes, which can be a sign of volcanic unrest. They also analyze gas emissions, track changes in ground deformation, and study the history of past eruptions to forecast potential future activity. Volcanoes aren't just important for geological studies, they also impact the environment and even our climate. Large volcanic eruptions can release vast amounts of ash and gases into the atmosphere, which can influence weather patterns around the world. Some of the most famous eruptions, like the eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815, led to the year without a summer, with crops failing and temperatures dropping due to the particles in the atmosphere blocking sunlight. Despite their potential for destruction, volcanoes are also revered for their beauty and the fertile lands they create. Many people choose to live near volcanoes, benefiting from the rich soils and breathtaking landscapes. In Hawaii, the Kilauea volcano has been continuously erupting for decades, creating new land and shaping the island's geography. It's a reminder that while volcanoes can be powerful and sometimes destructive, they are also a fundamental part of Earth's natural processes. So, the next time you see an image of a volcano, or perhaps even visit one in person, remember the incredible story it tells. It's a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet, and a reminder of the delicate balance between creation and destruction in the natural world. Volcanoes are not just mountains, they are the living, breathing heartbeats of the Earth itself.